Welcome! In front of me I have IMILAB W01 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. And after you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the option called HR, this is the heart rate widget, tap on it to open the widget, and the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. So I'm gonna place the finger on the sensor, and let's wait. And this number will jump around. And once it stabilizes, that should be your current heart rate. It might take a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's going down quite rapidly. And once it stabilizes, stays around one number for the longer period of time, that should be your current heart rate. That should be 65. Okay, and once you're done measuring the heart rate, you can press the side button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.